No people were injured during the shoot. చిత్రీకరణ సమయంలో ఎవరికీ ఎటువంటి అపాయం కలగలేదు.
Very good. This one is the pattern for the main number, auxiliary engine number, generator, the generating the electricity. There it's working, you can see it's working on 1 on 60.1 hertz. So actually the both the generators are working. You can go to the other generator also. This panel is for the main number one, auxiliary engine number one. It is also working on the 220 kilowatt. Right now, the same frequency is 60.5. This one is also like that. Now you can see that both the generators are running. But over here you can see the PC1, it is open. Okay, so that means the generators are not in parallel mode. So now we have to switch on one generator and we have to run only one generator. So for that, before stopping to the one generator, we have to parallel the both the generators. So very good manual. You can see the PC1 parallel event over there. So you can now PC1 parallel protection event. From here, we will put it to the PPNS mode. Then we will close the breaker. The synchronizing will start. The synchronizing has started. After that, you can see this one is open now. It will close after the certain synchronization. Now both the generators are in parallel mode. You can see the PC1 is closed now. Both the generators are in parallel. Now we have to deload the auxiliary engine number 1. From the auxiliary engine number 1 panel, we will deload it. From here, I'm going to deload the auxiliary engine number 1. So it's a very mechanical mode. Only I have to open the breaker of AE number 1. It's getting deload. Here you can see the kilowatt is coming down. Okay, now the power is on the auxiliary engine number 2. This one. So guys, before every work, always ensure your safety. Be safe, work safe.